In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to use ChatGPT to automate tasks. Now, I need you to understand that it doesn't directly interact with other softwares or hardwares, but it can guide you through the automating process, like writing scripts or providing advice on how to set up some kind of automation that will help you instead, right? But ChatGPT cannot directly automate things for you. So, for example, for writing emails, what ChatGPT can do is it could write emails for you, but you'll need to provide it with the necessary information. For example, the context, to who, your name, and stuff like that, so you can fill up all the information in the email. So you can say that, can you write an email to clients regarding the completion of my task, which was to complete 5 social media posts, right? And not only that, but you can also make necessary changes. So let's first write this and right, okay, send that and it will create an email regarding that. Now what else you can do is, let me recopy this. You can also ask ChatGPT, for example, let's say your client does not speak English and you want to send him the email but in another language. So I could say that, can you translate this into German for me? Right? And there we go. It'll translate it into German for you, and you can send this instead. But obviously, you will need to you need to add some more information. For example, your client's name, your position, or whatever information you have, your contact information, right? So, well, like I said, ChatGPT can do everything, but it can do, if you had provided your name and client name and your contact information to the beginning, then it could have already automatically done everything for you, right? So ChatGPT can't do everything, but it can help you and guide you through the process till you find a solution. Okay. Now ChatGPT can also help you with web scraping, like data collection. You can ask ChatGPT to help you create a Python script to scrape metadata from a website, or data processing. Write a script to clean and organize scrapes data into a CSV file, or something like automating file management. Perhaps you could ask ChatGPT to write a script that could automatically rename files in a folder based on specific renaming conventions, right? So it'll give you the script which you can put into an application creator or something like that, and then you'll have an automated program right there for you, which can automatically rename your files, or perhaps file moving, a script that helps moving files, or um, a script that helps you automatically back up your files every week or so, or something like that. Yeah. Now, ChatGPT can also help you with automating personal tasks. For example, task scheduling. You can ask ChatGPT, how can I schedule recurring tasks with a Google Calendar or a to-do app, right? Now, like I said, it won't do this automatically, but it will provide you information and step-by-step process that will help you guide to achieving whatever you want, right? It will give you a solution, but in a step-by-step process, but you'll be doing it on your own, but you will get the automated results you needed. Okay. ChatGPT can also help you with coding. So you can ask ChatGPT to write codes for you, which you can um, obviously ask it to update every now and then. But obviously, you will need to provide your situation and context. You need to give it information for it to do work for you. Okay. So you can ask ChatGPT to create codes for you. You can even ask ChatGPT to guide you through building some simple chatbots to answer customer queries, or how can I automate ticket creations and management for in a system like Discord or Zendesk, right? So I hope this video helps you guys out, and now you understand that it cannot automatically do everything for you. It can't, because it cannot interfere with your hardware or software, but it can give you information and step-by-process guidance to help you get the automated results you needed. Right? So I hope this video helps you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.